This is the final story of my trading journey, turning the money from $25 into $2 million. And 2 days ago, I made a withdrawal of most of my money. Yes, I have withdrawn my $2 million. And this is the transaction history. Almost every day, I make a withdrawal of the money. And for my $2 million, after waiting for 2 days, the money has been received into my Binance wallet. And this is my last Binance balance on February 13th. On February 13th, my balance was still at $1 million. And this is my balance on Binance right now. So, can Pocketoption be withdrawn? Let my Binance balance do the talking. Okay, let's start trading and let's make great history again. Okay, today I will trade using my most powerful strategy. The strategy that made me my first $1 million. Yes, the traffic line strategy. In this video, I will explain how to use this strategy in detail. So watch this video till the end if you want to know my powerful strategy. Okay, this one. In this market, the yellow line is above the candles. That's a sign that the market is going down strongly. And if the candle is below the yellow line, it is a sign that the yellow line is the resistance point. So if the candle is unable to break the yellow line, then you can open a sell position. And if the candle can break the yellow line, then you can open a buy position. So before you enter a trade, you have to wait for the confirmation candle first. And don't forget to open with 2 minutes time. Okay, let's wait and see where this candle goes. Okay, the candle can't break the yellow line. So let's open to sell trade on this market, because this is a sign of a false reversal or correction before continuing the trend. Okay, let's see for the results. Great! My first trade turned out the profits. Okay, I will open a trade in this market again, if the green line can cross the yellow line. So I will open a buy trade. But if the green line can't cross the yellow line, I will open a sell trade again. So let's see where the green line ends. Okay, the green line has crossed the yellow line. So you can open a buy trade on this market, because this is a sign that the market will continue the trend. Don't forget to entry when the candle touching the green line. Okay, be ready to open a buy position. Okay, the trade has been entered, but this is not a perfect entry because the candle hasn't touched the green line. Great! Now, this is perfect entry position. Entry exactly on the green line. Okay, can this strategy make profit again? Let's see the results together. Nice! One trade turned out the profit. Let's see the second one. Nice again. All my trades have been profitable. Okay, we can't trade in this market again because the green line is not straight anymore. As you can see, the green line and the line on the MACD indicator have curved downwards. And also, there are already for red bars on the MACD indicator. This is a sign that sellers are starting to dominate. So let's look for great moments in other markets and start again from the beginning. Okay, I will try on this market, but I doubts on this market because there is a candle gap on here. Candle gaps usually appear when there is big news. But let's try trade on this market. Okay, the trade has been entry. And if this trade is a loss, I will trade in other assets because a market like this is very dangerous. I opened a trade here just to give you an example so you can learn. The more I lose, the more I'm happy because you can learn from my video. Okay, let's see for the results. See, you can see from the abnormal candle. This is an example of a market that is currently having news. If you find something like this, it's better to avoid it. Okay, let's do a one-level Martingale on another market. Okay, this one. I will do Martingale one level in this market. As you can see, the candle and the green line have crossed the yellow line, or what we often call this is the traffic line moment. This is a sign of a strong downtrend. Okay, let's see again for the results. Great! My Martingale 1 level has made a profit, so our losses have been covered. This is how Martingale works. You can multiply it by 2 or 3 times from your first trade. That's what makes me never lose, because I use my risk management correctly. Okay, back to the charts, and let's look for another moment. Okay, in this market, the candle has touched the green line. So this is of the green line moment. But this market has reached the support point. So this market has the potential to bounce up. But let's try trading on this market just for example. Okay, 2 trades has been entry. And if this trade is a loss, I will do Martingale level 1 again in another market. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like this market is going to loss, because this candle is closed above the green line. While waiting, let's look for another moment. Okay, I'll do Martingale 1 level on this market, because this is a traffic line moment. If you see the moment like this, you can open a buy trade if the candle ends above the yellow line, but if this candle ends below the yellow line, so you should entry to a sell trade positions. Entry when the candle touching the green line. Okay, let's wait and see where this candle ends. Okay, the candle has closed below the yellow line. So let's open a sell trade on the green line. So let's wait again. Okay, the Martingale 1 level has been entry, and let's see again for the results. Great! It's so really great! My traffic line moments have made me more profitable, and our losses have been covered. And this is my history for today. Out of 19 trades, there were only 3 losses, and my profit today has reached $14,000. Okay, I think that's enough for today. If you want to learn more about this strategy, just text me on my Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description of this video. I will share you for free. Okay, I have to say goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video, and happy profit!